Welcome to Cecil Dalston YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed computation of depreciation under written down value method using MS Excel. In this video, we shall discuss computation of depreciation under sum of years of digits method using MS Excel. Under this method, amount of depreciation is found out by using this formula. Total number of years of remaining life of the asset including the current year divided by sum of all the digits of all years from 1 to the life of the asset in years multiplied by original cost minus scrap value. For example, let us take the life of the asset as 5 years. Total number of years of remaining life of the asset including the current year, for the first year it is 5. For the second year, it is 4. Sum of all the digits of all years from 1 to the life of the asset is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 15. The amount of depreciation goes on decreasing year after year in proportion to the unexpired life of the asset under this method. Computation of the amount of depreciation under sum of years of digits method using SYD function in MS Excel is equal to SYD open parenthesis cost, salvage, life, PER close parenthesis. Cost is original cost of the asset. Salvage is the scrap value at the end of the useful life of the asset. Life is the useful life of the asset in number of years. PER refers to the year for which depreciation amount is to be found out. Let us take an Excel sheet. Let us take the original cost as rupees 1 lakh, scrap value of the asset as rupees 10,000, life of the asset as 5 years. Now this is the formula we had to use to determine the amount of depreciation. Total number of years of remaining life of the asset including the current year. For the first year it is 5, for the second year it is 4, for the third year it is 3, for the fourth year it is 2, and for the fifth year only 1 year, therefore it is 1. Now next is sum of all the digits of all years from 1 to the life of the asset in years. So from 1 to the life of the asset, namely 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 15. Let us take 15 here, sum of digits. Okay, let me copy and paste in all the cells, right? Then original cost minus scrap value, it is 1 lakh minus 10,000, that is equal to 90,000. Let me copy this and paste in all the other cells. Now let us find out the amount of depreciation by using this formula. So remaining life, namely this cell E8 divided by sum of all the digits, it is F8 multiplied by original cost minus scrap value, that is G8. So it is 30,000 rupees. Let me copy and paste. Now we can get the amount of depreciation for the other years. For the second year it is 24,000, for the third year it is 18,000, for the fourth year it is 12,000, and for the fifth year it is 6,000. So this is how we have to compute the amount of depreciation, under SYD method manually. Now let us find out how it can be determined using SYD function. Let me do it for the first year here. First you choose this fx insert function. There we have various functions of which we have to choose the financial. There you choose SYD. Okay. Cost, this is the cost, B2. Salvage, B3. Life, B4. Then period for which you want to determine the amount of depreciation, first year. Okay, we get the amount 30,000. Let us do it for the second year. FX insert function, financial, there we choose SYD. Okay, then cost, same thing, B2, salvage B3, life B4, then period is second year, therefore we put 2. Okay, we get 24,000. Now for the third year we will do like this, is equal to S by D, open parenthesis, B2 comma B3 comma B4 comma third year for which we want to find out, close parenthesis, enter, 18,000. Okay, for the fourth year we will do it similarly, S by D, open parenthesis, B2 comma B3 comma B4 comma we want to find out for the fourth year, so put 4, close parenthesis, enter, so we get 12,000. For the fifth year is equal to S by D, open parenthesis, B2 comma B3 comma B4 comma fifth year 5, close parenthesis, enter, we get 6,000 rupees as the amount of depreciation. We can also find we can also prepare a chart for this. Choose this, you go here, insert, there you choose this line or area chart, the first one, so we get the chart for this. Okay, so the amount of depreciation goes down. Okay, so we shall reduce the size of the chart and keep it here. Okay, so the chart is also ready, right? Okay, so we discussed what is SYD method of depreciation, how to compute it manually, what is the formula to be used to determine the amount of depreciation, what is SYD function, how the amount of depreciation can be found out using SYD function. In the next video, we shall discuss computation of depreciation under WDV method when the asset is purchased in between in a financial period using MS Excel. For further discussion, comment or email to cecildolston@gmail.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Cecil Dolston. Thank you.